Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into something that will change the way you think about cryptocurrency forever. BNB is one of the most promising coins in the market, and its popularity is growing every single day. The Binance Smart Chain blockchain offers incredible opportunities for passive income, but what if I told you that now you can literally create BNB out of thin air? That's right, no tricks. Today, I'm going to show you revolutionary software that uses flash technology to generate BNB and sends it straight to your wallet. The program we're talking about is called Crypto Flash. It's a unique tool that lets you generate BNB without any complicated setups. You don't need expensive hardware or months of studying blockchain technology. Everything is simple, fast, and accessible to anyone. Here's how it works. First, you get a one-day trial by following the link in comments to the official Telegram bot. Choose the program and follow the instructions. Next, download the Crypto Flash archive, which contains a text file with a password and a start file. Open the start file, enter the password from the text file, and the program will activate. Once it's running, all you have to do is select your mining power and enter your BNB wallet address. That's it. The program starts working immediately, and you'll see BNB flowing into your wallet in just a few minutes. Want to test the program or purchase a lifetime license with lifelong support for just $1,500? Follow the link in the comments and start earning today. But be careful, only use official sources to avoid scams and counterfeit software.